My name's William Snow and I'm the manager of CSN Golden Triangle Guelph. First of the challenges where we were using an older style measuring system that was fairly accurate, but not quite as accurate as the new vehicles require today. The Carliner product was presented to us as one of the options. We researched it very heavily. We found this would accommodate a wide variety of vehicles and it would fit into our process nicely. The brand new frame rack machine is definitely my favorite. Just because it's new, it's very cutting edge of technology and is really helping us to develop for the future.
I like the versatility of Carliner because it's got multiple vehicle applications. You can put it on a lot of different vehicles. It's a little bit time consuming to set up, but it makes a big difference when you go to pull the vehicle to get the frame straightened out. It just makes it so much quicker.
The technicians have really enjoyed using the new rack. They have found that with a little bit of training and practice, it is very easy to use, it's easy to set up, and they feel comfortable that they are repairing the vehicles to their best of their abilities. It's definitely helped our referrals, both from the dealerships in referring their customers and feeling that the repairs will be completed safely, as well as we can use it as a selling tool to our customers that we are Volkswagen certified, that we are Toyota certified. It also allows us to build for the future and look at other OEM manufacturers and getting certified with them.